Hello, we are Team 9 working on the PLC sorter system sponsored by Omron with the help of Dr. Trombetta and Dr. Fay. My name is Kevin Saji.
I'm Raouf, Boubenider.
I'm Shawyan, Landi, team lead.
And I'm Kumail, Dhanji.
So to give a little background for our project, our goal is to increase efficiency and productivity while freeing workers from repetitive and oftentimes dangerous tasks by delivering a fully functioning sorting system while utilizing a vision system and a conveyor belt. According to DataWow, a data aggregator, up to 40% of products that were deemed defective were further inspected and found to have no defects at all. To combat this, a vision system similar to ours could be created to identify defects more accurately than a person, resulting from the sensors on board as well as the frequency at which they collect data points. For our high-level issue, in 2019, approximately 420,000 workers were reported to have suffered from non-fatal injuries in manufacturing workplaces, according to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics. Our goal is to further develop the gantry system that could lead to a reduction in these stats. Our low-level issue is that we are solving is to give exposure to students who are working with PLCs so they have the necessary information to assist them in landing a career. What we've identified as our need is that in our economy, there's an assumption that growth is a given, and this is having a negative impact on not only the workers, but also the environment.
So our project consists of designing and implementing a sorting system that is capable of detecting 3 different shapes and 4 different colors. And the project was split into 3 main sections. The first one being the PLC section, then the gantry system, and then the vision system section. So, and then the way the project was split was that 2 of our team members worked on the software aspect of the project since they had more experience using PLCs. And then the 2 other team members were able to work on the mechanical aspect of the project, which is the gantry system, basically.
Okay, as for the results that we have, we were able to finalize our gantry design as well as build the gantry in the XYZ axes. We are still waiting to hear back from iGus and Granger, which are our parts supplier, to finalize the structure to hold up our gantry. Other than that, our Omron motors are configured with the correct speeds using the software, and our PLC code is up and running with no errors. So all it is just plugging in all those parts and we're good to go.
So really the significance is that nearing the end of our project is that students, when we are finished with this prototype, students will be able to see a PLC in action, doing real work. Completing this prototype brings us one step closer to our grand goals of using this in an industrial situation. This prototype can be expanded on to be used in warehouses, distribution centers, processing plants, and even more. So if you're Amazon, the US Postal Service, Kellogg's, General Electric, or General Motors, you can use this technology. So place your order with us today. Watch your productivity go sky high.